Hey, what's going on guys? This is Vicky here, and in this video I'm gonna give you free ClickBank course from complete scratch. Okay, so guys, this course gonna be from A to G, complete step-by-step tutorial that gonna help you make your first $1,000 from affiliate marketing. Okay, so guys, first we need is join affiliate network. Okay, first we need to join an affiliate network. Then we need to find the products that we're going to promote. Okay, after that we need to send traffic to our products. Okay, and then you will make commission, right? So guys, in this video we will be using ClickBank. Okay, we will be using ClickBank as an affiliate network. Okay, now we have an affiliate network, we need to find a product, right? So the best way or the easiest way to find the product on ClickBank is just click on search icon. So all the products which shows up after clicking the search icon, all these products on the first page are high converting offer. We're gonna choose one of them here and we're going to promote one offer from the first page that is showing here. Of course you can go to second page, third page, but like I said, the offers which are showing up on the first page are the top converting offers right now. Okay, so let's choose the first one, research the Godzilla of offer. Let's choose this one for now. So this is an weight loss offer paying $106 average per sale. Okay, and as you can see, it's called affiliate page, right? So if you click here, affiliate page, these are some affiliate resources that they send you. So these are affiliate resource. They send you different affiliate resource. They send you email swipe. They send you ad image. They send you banner pages. They give you different type of affiliate resources. This give you so that you can promote their product. Okay. Here is one more. So anyway guys, we're gonna take this offer as an example here and we're gonna promote this one. So now we have the product. What we need is we need traffic to the products, right? So for the traffic we're gonna use Facebook ads. Okay, we're gonna use Facebook ads. So if you haven't run Facebook ads before, this is the dashboard of Facebook ads manager. This is how it looks. So here you can see green button, right? So you have to click on create and we're gonna choose conversions. You might have familiar with traffic, but we're not gonna choose traffic. Okay, you have to choose conversion here. So you have to choose conversion and then you're gonna click on create. Okay, now here you need to name your campaign. So you can name it anything, it doesn't matter. Let's name it research. Okay, so we have name it research here. Now let's go to the ad set label. So this is ad set label. So this is the place where all the magic happens. Okay, here you have to choose your audience, what audience you want to target, what country you want to target. Okay, so let's choose the country. So United States is already there. Now let's choose Canada. Okay, so US and Canada, this is what I would like to target for now in this video. Since this is an weight loss offer, so I'm gonna target only female. Okay, and age range I'm gonna target, let's target 40 to 65 plus. Detailed targeting. So this is the place where you have to put some interest based targeting. Okay, you have to choose some interest that you want to target those audience on Facebook ads. So let's choose weight loss, extreme weight loss. Okay, click on suggestion, diet, food, health and wellness. So these are the three interests that we're going to target. Okay, as you can see, it says potential reach is 69 million. Okay, so that's a huge audience, right? Anyway, here we need to choose the budget. So you can go with daily $15 or $20. So let's do $20 for now. Okay, So guys, here you need to choose the language. So I'm gonna select only English. So you can choose only English here, and as you can see guys, here you need to choose placement. Okay, so for now just untick everything and just keep Facebook, and here just keep Facebook newsfeed. Just keep Facebook newsfeed for now and untick all other placement here. So as you can see guys, here we have selected our audience that we're gonna target, female 40 to 65. We have selected some interest here. We have selected country. So we have pretty much selected our audience that we want to target, right? We have also selected the budget. Okay guys, now here one more thing we need to do. We need to choose event. Okay, so here you can see several events. This one called purchase event, so you have to choose purchase event here. Okay, since we selected conversion as an objective in the beginning, that's why we are choosing purchase event. So we have selected purchase event here. Just ignore this verify pixel part because it will automatically verify once you start getting sales. Okay, anyway, now let's go to the ad part. Now this is Facebook fan page. Okay, here you have to choose your Facebook fan page. Now remember one thing, you don't have to name your page weight loss, okay, or lose weight now, something like that. You have to name your page like healthy lifestyle or slim body tips or healthy diet lifestyle, something like that. Okay, now we have selected our fan page, so let's drag down and here we're gonna pick some image for our ad. Okay, so I'm gonna click on add image. Okay guys, now I have selected an image that I wanna use for this research campaign, right? Now what we need to do, we need to put an text here in this box. Okay, so text basically means you have to say something about your product, about your ad, so that your audience engage with your ad. Okay, so I have already written a text here, so I'm gonna just copy from here. Okay, and I'm gonna put here. Now I have put some text here about my ad. Here I can put some headline. Okay, so I have written headline also here. So this is ad copy that I'm gonna use, and here I have put my ad copy. Okay guys, now what we need an website URL, right? So basically website URL is landing page URL. Okay, so in this video we're going to use a quiz landing page. So if you don't know what quiz landing page is, if I show you here, this is the landing page that I'm gonna use for this offer. Okay, so this is a quiz landing page. It means it has questions on the landing page, and when the question ends, I direct the audience to the actual offer. Okay, so this is a quiz landing page, and if you don't know how to make this quiz landing page, it's very easy. I use ClickFunnels, which provides 14-day free trial, which you can try from description box below this video. So this is a quiz landing page that I made on ClickFunnels. This is editor interface of ClickFunnels, and it's very easy to make such landing page. It's all drag and drop function on ClickFunnels, so you can easily make such landing page, and then you click on save here. So you have to take this landing page URL from here. Okay, so I'm gonna copy here, and here in this box you have to put the landing page URL. Okay, so as you can see guys, now this ad is all ready. Okay, this is a preview of this ad. So this is the ad for this research campaign, right? Now you click on confirm and the ad will start running, right? But before that you need to take your affiliate link from this offer. So you're gonna click on promote, and you're gonna click generate hop link, and you're gonna copy your affiliate link, and then you will go to the ClickFunnels, and then you will click on edit page, and here you will put your ClickBank affiliate link. Okay, here you will put that, and then you just click save. Now you have to go back. So guys, now you have put your affiliate link in the landing page. Okay, so guys, now if someone will buy from your ads, you have your affiliate link in your landing page, right? So once you will get sales, you can see your sales on your ClickBank dashboard. Okay, so this is how you set a ClickBank offer on Facebook ads promoting any ClickBank product through Facebook ads. Okay, so this is how it all works, guys. You have to keep the things very simple, and once you will start getting traffic to your product, you will make sales, you will make commissions. So this is how it all works, promoting ClickBank products on Facebook ad and making money from ClickBank affiliate marketing. And if you have any question, guys, ask them down below this video. I would love to answer them. Or you can also join my free Facebook group. So this is my free Facebook group here, and we have ton of members. They engage with each other, they share their journey. So you can join my free Facebook group. I will put the link of my Facebook group in the description box. So go ahead, join the Facebook group, or you can simply ask your question below this video. And I have also put the link of my free training in the description box. So go ahead, check out the free training. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel for more content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.